So why is Johnson & Johnson here today?
Johnson & Johnson is here today really to, I suppose, get across the global presence from a J&J perspective, but also the Johnson & Johnson presence in Ireland. And then really to help people understand that within Johnson & Johnson there are quite a number of franchises that are represented here in Ireland, namely Janssen. We also have Vision Care in Limerick, and we have Dupuis Synthesis in Cork as well. So it's really to give people an understanding of the different businesses that are within the Johnson & Johnson family of companies here in Ireland.
Fantastic. And with so many companies, what are some of the exciting things that people at Johnson & Johnson get to work at?
Well, if I specifically talk about Janssen Sciences Ireland, we're very fortunate in that we get to manufacture products that are sold commercially right across the globe. But we also get an opportunity to actually manufacture products that are used in clinical trials and have not yet come to the commercial market. We're also working on disposable technology and developing disposable technology with the consumer companies. We're also responsible for helping organisations build their automation profiles as well. So I suppose we've got a huge diversity within the activities that we have within Janssen and within Johnson & Johnson. And I suppose from a people perspective, we are involved in a very exciting project, collaboration with the University of Limerick, and the project is called YSTEM. So it's Women in Science, Technology, Engineering, Maths, Manufacturing and Design. So it's really looking to encourage young females to actually first of all enroll in science disciplines in college, then when they're in college to stay with their courses, and then subsequently take careers in science afterwards. Because I suppose from a diversity and inclusion perspective, Johnson & Johnson are really focused on ensuring that we have that diversity from a male-female perspective.
That's a great initiative. And just finally, what makes Ireland an ideal place for pharma or for life sciences to set up?
So firstly, I think it's the talent that's available, readily available in Ireland, very, very important. And I think that talent is built from the collaborations with the third level colleges and with the organisations that are working on developing that talent. And I think the other area is the can-do attitude of the Irish, and really that, they'll try and they'll work in any space, they'll work in any field, they're willing to travel and willing to support, an organisation and become very loyal to that organisation. So I think there's some of the reasons.